Have you ever seen this kind of beautiful fruits? They are having a very yellow color. Can you please tell me through the comment what is the name of these fruits? What is the main content of this fruit? Let me try to show you how beautiful they are, and let's together look how they look inside of the fruits. I'm crushing these fruits. This is how they look inside. Look, very attractive with very beautiful green and a yellow color. Kindly requesting you to subscribe this channel, share our video, visit our channel. There is so many impressive videos that you can learn from.